welcome back to another Power 14, and today I'm cooking for you guys. So I'm making ramen with chicken. Hold on, I'm also grabbing one more thing and eggs. So hold on, you guys. Alright, let's get it started. Alright, gonna let the water boil. I'm gonna start with the eggs first before I cook the ramen. So I want 2 of them. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. Alright, I'm just putting it back. Sorry, I was thirsty. Have my I didn't know it was gonna explode because I left it in the thing. Good as heck. And it's got my pineapple Pepsi. Alright. I am now going to heat that up. It's good. Some oil up in the pan. I'm gonna grab some spices for my chicken. This. Oh, I am using lemon pepper, onion powder, and garlic and pepper. I already deep frost this thing a little bit, so I'm gonna let the chicken cook before I put my seasoning on there. Wash my hands. So yeah. But yeah, I am boiling eggs. So yeah. But yeah, my chicken is cooking. I'm letting that chicken cook, you know. Son of a bitch. Be careful on how high the temperature you want to go because you will burn yourself. So be careful. And yes, I will say this for the 1,000th time. I'm not professional, so. And yes, guys, I know that hurt just a little bit, not too much. I only have it at low right now, so. And no, I know the chicken's not done. Well, because it's white on the outside, it's still pink on the inside. put a little bit of lemon pepper, so I start with a little bit of lemon pepper. A little bit of, yeah. This one's typical, so sorry, I had to go like that with it so it can come out when I put it on there. So. I actually want to, like, the pepper's on there, a little bit of it, but I'm going to actually look for actual garlic seasoning. Yep. Found it. I like a lot of garlic on my chicken, so here I'm going to show you guys how it's turning out. Here's the eggs, here's the chicken. I haven't touched the ramen yet, but yeah, we cooking some ramen with chicken, some boiled eggs. That's what I'm eating today, y'all. So. Still thinking middle. Not done. See, like I said, I ain't trying to get salmonella. Hell no. Not really making stir fry, really just making chicken with some boiled eggs and ramen. See if I just cut a little bit the inside of the chicken. I was just gonna cut it up and put it in my ramen as well, but yes, I am letting my eggs boil. And yes, I am going to redo this pot again, fill it up with water, and actually put the ramen in the pot. Because I'm going to show you guys how to make this in a pot instead of the microwave, like last time on Method or my TikTok. Sorry, I thought thought I'd give you guys some little content of throwing this up. Oh, did not mean to drop it on the ground. But, I do have one thing to say to y'all. If you guys are watching my content or anything, go get yourself a snack. Go get yourself a beverage. And enjoy the content. Alright, I should have said that at the beginning of the video, but I did not, but yeah. Alright, I think my chicken should be good about now. I just needed to cut to make sure it's not pink anymore, but yeah, the chicken stuff done, so I'm just gonna turn the heat off and let it sit on the side. So I'm gonna put it on plate. But yeah, look how good that looks. Whoa! I'm trying to drop it up the fucking plate, bitch. Alright. I don't lose that. There, alright. If you guys think I'm gross, I'm not actually. There, I washed my fork and the knife that I used to. Yeah. I still feel like it's not done, but it is. Trust me. Oh. I actually like it. Cooked up very well. Tastes a little bit of that lemon that I put in there. And yes, I will be putting some of this lovely chicken in my ramen. And yes, I'll be showing you guys the complete of what's going to be in this lovely bowl. And I'm taking a picture for my Facebook. If you guys don't know my last name, I say it in some of my videos, but if you guys want to know, don't friend request me on there. I will deny you, to be honest. Yeah. But yeah. Alright guys, I'll be back in a minute. These eggs to be done so I can throw the ramen in the pot. So yeah, it's cooking and then I'll show you guys the final product. Okay, but yeah, ramen cooking. Yeah, the eggs are done. chicken done. Cooking that ramen. And I'll show you guys the bath. Well, here's the finishing product. Guys, enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next time. 5:14. This is the bye, ciao.